Hi, this is Greg Lowe with Autodesk, and I want to do just a quick walkthrough of how to properly link a bridged Revit model into your own Revit model. I have on my screen here a concrete model where I have linked in a plumbing model, and now I want to link in a mechanical model. So if I go into Docs, here you can see I've got my concrete folder. Here's my Revit file. And you can see that it is a work shared cloud model. Now, the model I want to link in is coming in from Bridge. It's one of my design models, and it's a mechanical model. And when I go to it, you'll see that it doesn't show it as a work shared cloud model. What that causes us to think is that maybe I need to link it in through my desktop connector. If I go back into Revit and I link in this mechanical model through my desktop connector, I will be able to see that model inside of Revit. However, when I come to ACC and I go to my Revit model and I open it, I will not be able to see that mechanical model here in this view. And most likely, I want that in here. So what happens is, sometimes we think, well, maybe what I need to do is open this model and turn it into a cloud work shared model by collaborating it and then linking it in. Well, to do that for every time I get a model update is really unnecessary and a lot of extra work. So the proper workflow is this. When you're in Revit and you go to link a bridged Revit model, use your external resources. Now, I know this might not make sense because you're thinking, well, it's not a cloud work shared model. Well, let me show you. I'm going to just navigate to that model, that mechanical model I'm looking for. Here's my bridge folder. And there it is. I'm going to open that and bring that in. Now, again, I'm doing this through my external resources. I'm not doing this through my desktop connector. All right, so now I've got my duct model in there. I can see it. I'm going to do a quick sync to central. And I'm going to publish my latest model. Before I do that, I'm going to go to my concrete model. I'm going to open that up and just show you. I'm on version 7. There I can see my plumbing. I cannot see my mechanical yet. Let me go in and publish latest. Okay, I'm going to open this concrete model now that I've linked everything, and now I have all my plumbing and my mechanical duct in there. I also, if I go to my 2D sheets, as long as I have those turned on, I can see my plumbing and let's see, I don't know if I have any depth penetrations on this floor. So the principle here is when you are linking in your Revit model that's a bridged Revit file, bring it in through your external resources.